Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Breville BJE430SIL Juice Fountain Cold Juicer, touted as one of the best on the market for its innovative features and performance. This juicer isn't just any ordinary appliance. It's designed to extract the most juice possible from your fruits and vegetables, while preserving essential nutrients, thanks to its cold spin technology and Italian-made mesh filter. Unlike traditional juicers that generate heat, the Breville cold juicer operates at low temperatures to protect the delicate vitamins and minerals in your juice. With a 3-inch wide feeding chute, you can juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting, saving you time and hassle. It comes with a 70 fluid ounces jug, perfect for juicing large quantities in one go and storing it in the fridge for up to 3 days. The 850-watt motor effortlessly handles even the toughest produce, turning them into refreshing juice in seconds. The Breville BJE430SIL is not only functional but also sleek in design, with a stainless steel finish that complements any kitchen. Its safety features, like the locking arm mechanism, ensure safe operation every time. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-performance juicer that delivers quality juice with minimal effort, the Breville BJE430SIL Juice Fountain Cold Juicer is definitely worth considering. Its innovative features, robust build, and excellent customer feedback make it a top choice in its category. That wraps up our review of the Breville BJE430SIL Juice Fountain Cold Juicer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.